said what I wanted to say today. But I just want to say something else. We usually say I talk a lot. So he does. I don't think I usually run out of things to say. I think when I came here, I didn't really know why I came here until I spoke to Tabo the other day and he mentioned that we had to go through the same path. As a technical person, that's all what I usually care about. Managing people and managing people, it's something. I don't think it comes natural. Some years are born leaders, we went through that. But I think people like me, we need this kind of trainings to actually shape us, to give us courage, to also, help us to self-reflect where we usually get it wrong. I think most of us, we came here with a different concept because it just says supervisory 1, 2, 3 for course. We thought they were going to teach us, like I said, they were going to teach us how to push the team to get it done. But I think the first day we were all confused. We realized that the course was more about us. And I also want to thank everyone that I've engaged with and also nominating me for this. It really means a lot, guys. The NAMPEC guys, the Farsi, Incoming, Refinery, Allstom, Telemented. So I think I made friends. I made quite a lot of friends. I think Dyna has said it. It was really nice. It was really nice getting to mix with strangers. I remember the first day when we introduced ourselves. It was weird. We don't even know who does what. But for some reason, we managed to sit on the same tables, shared ideas. There were certain questions in the assessment that I felt like Thomas just wanted us to find. Some people have experience in supervising people. Some of people don't have the experience. And then you can hear that some of the answers come from perspective. It depends on how you usually have implemented. But when you look at the assessment, the score started going up. Every session, I think we did quite well in this round. So I just want to thank everyone. I thank Allstom, Yvonne, Tabo, Muyo, and those who are not here, my colleagues, and all the friends that I've made, and everyone that I've engaged with. I really had fun. And from here, we're going to take the lessons that we learned and then make use of it. I think the most important thing is let's bike our life into others. It's not better if someone below you above. That's always, when we have that moment, let's bike that light. Thank you.